I already know why you're all here, so let's just go ahead and go look at it. Tesla, very, very strong close with the bullish gap and go today. You had a small little cute bearish hammer yesterday. Amazing, amazing bullish volume here on the gap and goes from August 12th and 13th with the announcement of the split. And I've been mentioning split's going to be extremely, extremely bullish, and away she goes. I would not be surprised at all to see Tesla do one of two things. Gap up tomorrow, slightly a little bit of a high wave candle and eventually continue, or gap down small tomorrow, retest a little bit, and then eventually goes higher. But all roads lead to higher on Tesla. Amazing, amazing stuff. Some real life traders got, I don't know if it's lucky or good, but Rackspace, there was some news that it might get bought out by Amazon. We were in bullish with this high wave bearish candle down here. And we actually had to hold through a halt. So here's a 5-minute chart, and the stock just went banana sandwich for a few minutes. And some traders were trying to sell. We had a limit sell at 1731, but some traders got filled all the way in this candle. Some traders got here in the high 18s, which is amazing because that was a really, really profitable trade on Rackspace. So long story short, that was a small little winner. We have positions on Twitter, TWTR, hoping that that particular stock will slowly grind a little bit higher over time. Also in a debit spread on Amazon, AMZN, eventually looking for that bad boy to break out of that triangle. And if that happens, that'll be a lot of fun. Here's Netflix. Netflix just chilling out, doing its thing right now, trading sideways. So give that one a little bit of time. And the two stocks I had requested for today, AAXN, Axion Enterprise, had someone mention that this one would be a good one to start watching for a bullish buy. And I do agree, it has pulled back into this retest gap from late May, early June, and it's into the 200, 100 simple moving average. This will be one of those spots that I'll be kind of tiptoeing into, smaller size. Wouldn't be loading any boats here, but definitely tip it in, put some shares in place if you're looking at playing this particular stock. I don't have any position at all in Axion Enterprises, and that's okay. And then the next spot that you would look to buy and pick up some positions would be $73.59. Simply put, old resistance, new support on Axion. Trend looks pretty nice. And AVID was the other stock that had requested. Avid Technologies, and here's the weekly chart. This one pretty sideways for the last, I don't know, decade. If you bought it in 2009, it's the exact same price it is now. And it's been really sideways since the IPO. So realistically, saying all that to say, I don't think it's going to do anything too tremendously amazing. Therefore, if you're playing something sideways, you want to buy it as low as you can and play it as bullish as you can. What's interesting is this was a candle that set Matthew into a buying frenzy. Entry here, stop there. And then you had a bearish inside candle the next day. Good news is it just simply did not go higher. So Matthew has not been triggered into Avid Technologies yet, but I do expect this stock to potentially go down a little bit lower, maybe into 750. And if you're looking at buying it there, well, way to go. Ticker symbol Square, beautiful gap and go today. A lot of people snagging some beautiful wins on Square. This is one of the stocks that most real life traders are in, either Square, Tesla, or Apple. And what a great day to be in any one of those three. So Square, rocking and rolling. My buddy Craig Levine, I believe, is getting into a 170 covered call expiring next week. I know my buddy Richard Slonsky here in Nashville, Tennessee is in Square. This has just been a powerhouse, and it was a phenomenal gap today. Really, really nice high wave candle here. We filled the gap, right? So the white candle gapping up into the all-time highs, fade the gap. Two high wave indecisions back to back, boom, boom, boom. And then we took it off today with a sensational gap. So congratulations for those traders who got a chance to play Square. And last but not least, we're also in Google on a bullish swing trade, and more or less just it's a broader market stock. The broader market is not bearish by any means, and we're just hoping it's going to continue higher. So the SPY, we are up today. We'll see if we can continue, but overall trend is bullish. Speaking of bullish, Bitcoin, BTC, USD up 3.4%. And if we can close up here today, which will happen in another 3 hours, that'll be a phenomenally strong close, and I would just expect that trend to continue. I have some positions that I plan on selling at 14,000, but it will be a very small position because at this point, this looks like a ginormous inverted head and shoulders pattern to me. And the weekly chart, the monthly chart, the logarithm chart, all charts point higher on Bitcoin. The trend looks amazing. Chart looks amazing. Volume looks amazing. Be a bull. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. You rock it. Until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.